So the other day I follow my church sister go bury a little thieving son. The police shot him in his backside the other day. And the service was good and all that, you know, but the pastor had the nicest things was to say about the young man. Every time he opened his mouth, he upset because it's something that he does all the time, you know. No matter how the people them thief and their heart dirty and them turn bad, once them dead and he goes up on that pulpit, he has the nicest things to say about them. So he talking and I try to hold me tongue, you know, but it was when the pastor said, let us pray for his soul to go to heaven. I had was so object immediately. I said, but is me alone in here know that the man is a thief? The pastor? So when you pack up heaven with all of these crosses is who you're planning to send to heaven. You're not going to make any space run out on me up there, you know. So can you just please to do the rightful thing and send the people them to them rightful place, please and thanks?